Google has a lot of different search parameters that really help speed up processes that you go through. So let's say you're writing an article and you want to find out the meaning of a keyword before you insert it in the article, before you insert it in an email to a client. So let's just, grab the keyword here we're looking for. So let's just say calico, for example. Like, what's that mean? So you'd go to Google and you'd do a search phrase for the word define, colon, and then I'm going to type in calico, right? For calico cat, printed cotton fabric, multicolored or modeled. So there we go. So that defines that for you real quick. So let's just define, um, let's define something else here. Let's say the word capitalism. Define capitalism. Boom, there they go. They're pulling up what the definition is. Now, this is really good if you're writing something out and you're saying, I'm not sure if this is the right or proper use of that keyword phrase. Then that's why you would use it. They also will pull up synonyms for you. So that's where the define tool comes into play really good too. Is if you're writing an article and say, well, I tend to overuse the word excited, or, I'm really excited, or I'm really geeked out, that kind of phrase. I tend to use that too much, you might say. So let's say I want to come up with a different phrase to kind of make my writing not seem so stagnant. So I just go to Google, type in define search parameter, and then the word excited. It pulls up the definition, so I know what it means. And so I'm using it right, but it also says things like thrilled, exhilarated, animated, enlivened, electrified, those kind of keywords. So the define search parameter is really cool for finding synonyms like a thesaurus would. It's also really good for finding definitions of keywords and phrases so you know you're using the right words and that you're targeting the right words in your blog post, in your videos, you're using the right phrases. It really helps you understand, what phrases to use with your websites and ways that you're getting out there.